Good morning. We're just starting our morning walk in Cesky Krumlov. Go out and explore the place for the first time. We're going to head up to the Cloak Bridge to start with. Let's see how we get on. So we're heading up. That's the castle there. Can't quite see the Cloak Bridge yet. This place is stunning. Okay, so that's the castle tower there. Ah, there's the Cloak Bridge there. So we're going up there somewhere. Should be fun. Time to start heading up. Almost at the top, I think. Okay, so that's the finish of our walk through the Cloak Bridge. It's all free to do that. And the castle tour there opens, I think, at 9 o'clock. We may do that tomorrow. We're definitely going to go up that tower tomorrow. That opens at 9 o'clock tomorrow as well. I'm just going to go find where the entrance to that is. There's bears in the moat. Oh my goodness. We've decided it's a bit sad that the bears are in there. I mean, it's much like a zoo, but I'm sure they'd be better off in the wild. We'll find out a bit more about why they're there. This is actually retracing our steps that we took from the train to the apartment yesterday. We're going out to see the Budweiser Gate, which we probably didn't realise was the Budweiser Gate yesterday. That must be it up there, I think. Here we are, the Budweiser Gate. Budweiser beer was first brewed in the 13th century in the city not far from here, which I probably can't pronounce, so I'll put the name of it on the screen. Yeah, so Budweiser beer was first brewed here, and then the name was used in America and become, I guess, more famous in America as a style of beer and a brand. So there's where we were earlier, up there. So we've exited the main town area to the outer town, and found this park that runs down. There's a fountain and a revolving auditorium, I think, in it. So walk along there. Hopefully there's a bridge, because I think it's on the other side of this little stream. We found the bridge to cross the river, but it actually takes us back to where we started. This is where we first came in from the apartment. So we're going to go back through that arch and then turn right down beside the river. It's out that side. So to the right there is where we went up to the Cloak Bridge. That bridge to the left there is where we first came in. And so now we're going to turn right and go along here somewhere. Well, I'm thinking we might have to climb up that hill. I don't know. We're going to find out. Right, so after consulting the map, you need to go to the revolving auditorium from up by the Cloak Bridge. So we're going to keep that for tomorrow. So we're going to follow along the river here on the outside of the inner city Oxbow and round to the city park. So we've come from down that way. Straight ahead you can see the tip of the tower at the castle, just, and then not sure what the name of the church is, but it's amazingly pretty as well. So the river here is the Vltava, which is the same river that flows through Prague. It's certainly got the same name, so I'm assuming it's the same river. This is the entrance to the city park. Well, there was no way out. All those stairs were dead ends. Go back down and along to the other road bridge. And heading back into the inner Oxbow. Ooh, there we go, we'll get run over. Just trying to figure out where our apartment is. Oh yeah, there's that statue. That's not far from our apartment. I'll just take this little alley here. Up here is our apartment, up here and to the left. This is us just here.